Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Cool! Mwah!
Tell me, girl, what a man can do. Kuchosa mwichi kwa timulandu. Manu kuchusha ten sambu. Ten sambu, takwe ten sambu. So chili boku, ukala boku, ukala boku, kishite boku. You know me, lean on me. Uli mu relationship, but you only love me. Mbona ngudila, kama kuzunga ega gudila.
Life short, take risk. Life's short, take risk.
Gago, ito kasi yung PN. Ito kailan ito.
Galaw-galaw oh, galaw-galaw. Ano po, gusto? Galaw ayaw?
Po, gusto! Tayo ayaw!
What?
Galaw-galaw!
Woo!
Hi be, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang wishes ko sa'yo is stay healthy and don't get stressed. Mahal na mahal kita, yun lang.
Happy birthday, Ira. I love you. Happy birthday, Iya. I love you. I love you.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Ira, and wish you all the best. Sana magkaroon ka ng magandang kalusugan at enjoy mo lang yung araw mo or yung birthday mo.
Hi, Ira. I'm Carl, 17, and I just want to greet you. Happy birthday. God bless you always. Mag-iingat kayo lagi. And wish ko sa'yo is sana magkaroon ka na ng someone na pwede mong pag-rantan and everything. Kasi si Tin, meron na siyang ako. And yeah, I love her so much. And yeah, happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ira. Turning 18 is such a special milestone. It's the start of writing your own story, chasing your passion, and discovering who you are truly are. May your 18 year be as beautiful and radiant as your heart. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ira. Magpakatatag ka palagi. Alam ko kasama kita sa paglaki ko. Sabay tayo nagpatuli nun. Alam kong mabait kang tao, wala kang tinatapakan tao, kaya sana maraming birthday pa ang dumating sa'yo. Yun lang. Mahal ka ng mahal mo.
Happy birthday, Ira.
Happy birthday, Ate Ira. My birthday is to come. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ate Ira. Stay healthy and galingan mo pa sa akin mo. Sorry kung hindi ako makakapunta sa party mo. Sorry.
Happy birthday, Ate Ira. Ingat ka palagi. Malaki ka agad.
Happy birthday, Ira. Mabuhay ka hanggang sa gusto. Happy birthday, Ira. Palagi. Stay safe. More birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Ira. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. More birthday to come.
Hi, Ira. Happy birthday. And 18 ka na. Pwede ka na ulit. Charot. Kidding aside. I hope that you achieve your dreams and always remember that I'm always here to support you like you did to me. And wish ko lang din na makapasa ako ng college exam ko. Yun lang. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aya. Happy birthday to you. God bless. Stay pretty and kind and healthy.